When it comes to packing in your suitcase and being organized, packing cubes really can come in handy. And today I want to share with you a set by Tolaccea, who is known for their laptop backpack bags and other bags. And I have reviewed many of them. And they sent me this set and I think it looks real nice. And they have 3 different optional sets. This is the P11 cube set, 7 pieces for 24-inch suitcase. And on their tag, they show their other ones as well. And they really have actually nice tags, by the way. But they also have the P10, which is a 6-piece set for 20-inch luggage, and also the P12, which is a 6-piece set for 28-inch luggage. And I'll put a link to the 3 sets so you could see what worked for you and see if you might even want to order. Now, these are, again, they are color-coded. They are made with water-resistant 210D Ripstop nylon reinforced stitching, YKK zipper, and it really feels like a nice quality product. So let me go ahead and show you. This one is 7 pieces, and it's nice how you could put everything nice and organized in here. So this is the laundry bag, and then we've got a total of 7 pieces. Now, keep in mind when it comes to washing, which I thought too with the laundry bag, it'd be nice you could just throw it in the wash. These have to be hand washed, so be aware of that. So these also have the Velcro, which is nice. And also with their sets, they are double zippered. So you can actually, once you close it up, you can expand it as well. So if you wanna make the cube bigger, you can do that. So let me go ahead and show you the different sets. So we've got one that's a bigger one, and again, you could shrink these up. You've got this size here, maybe for your socks and those kind of items, or underwear. You've got another small one as well. Now, this one, even these have a double zipper as well. So you can, 1, you can open it, but 2, again, it's got another zipper, so you can expand it, which is real nice. So now it becomes even more useful. And then you've got this set as well, the size. And you also have the handles on top of all these, which is kind of nice. So if, let's just say you decide to use this for your bathroom items, you can just like hang this as well and then, you know, close it when you're not using it. Feels really nice quality. And then we've got this bigger one here. Let's take a look at this size again. This is for a 24-inch size suitcase. So you've got this size as well. And this looks like the biggest there. And it's nice, these colors, they're nice. And then, as I mentioned, you have a laundry bag. And this is nice. So what you could do is hand wash this. Again, you cannot, with the instructions, this is not to machine wash it. But you can certainly, let's just say you got some towels and you brought with you, you could easily zip it up, and then you might need to take the air out. That actually would be a good idea. Take the air out, and then you could just close it like this, and you are good to go. And so you take your laundry out, you hand wash this, will still be clean that way as well, and you are good to go. So really nice set by Tolaccea. Again, they have 2 other size sets depending upon your suitcase. Worst case is you can always get this set since it's 7 pieces and just use the ones that fit that size suitcase or bag you have. And if you have one of their laptops, or you've got a laptop bag, you can even use these cubes to put, I don't know, your devices in there too. So there's other ways that you can use this fantastic set. Nice color combination. You can have fun with this, and this will definitely make it for better experience having travel cubes, and you'll be all set, nice and organized. Let me know if you have any questions. I appreciate Tolaccea for sending me this set. I definitely will be using it on a future trip. And if you are traveling this summer, safe travels, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.